Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today I'll be sharing unique Mehndi designs for front hand that will make your hands stand out with creativity and elegance. These designs are perfect for festive occasions, weddings, or even casual Mehndi lovers. Let's begin. Segment 1. Floral Trail Mehndi Design. Let's start with this Floral Trail Mehndi design. It features delicate flowers, leafy vines, and flowing strokes, creating a graceful and artistic look on the front hand. Segment 2. Mandala Front Hand Mehndi Pattern. For a symmetrical and traditional touch, try this Mandala Mehndi design. The circular pattern in the center of the palm with tiny details and geometric accents makes it a timeless and unique choice. Segment 3. Bracelet Style Mehndi Design. Want a jewelry-inspired Mehndi look? This bracelet-style Mehndi design gives the illusion of wearing henna jewelry with elegant chains, beads, and delicate patterns. Segment 4. Arabic Fusion Mehndi for a modern look. Arabic Mehndi always adds a touch of elegance. This Arabic Fusion Mehndi design features bold floral strokes, swirling vines, and empty spaces to create a unique and stylish front hand look. Segment 5. Minimal Finger Mehndi Design. For a trendy and minimal look, try this finger Mehndi design. It focuses on tiny dots, elegant swirls, and geometric shapes to add a subtle yet stunning touch to your front hand. Which unique Mehndi design for front hand was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. See you in the next video.